Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to find your wireless password that is saved within Windows. And you might need to do this because A, let's say you forgot what it was because it's been so long since you've added a computer to your wireless connection so you don't remember what it is, or B, you never wrote it down, or let's say you have a friend coming over and they want to connect their phone and you need to give them your wireless password and you have no idea what it is. One thing you could do is to go into your wireless router or into your modem, into the web interface, and change that password, but that's assuming you know how to get into your wireless router or your modem and the password to do so, to get into those. And then once you do that, if you were to change it, you would have to go change it on all your other devices, which could be a pain. So it's easier just to go find out what it is, and that way you'll have it for next time you need it. And there's a couple ways you could do it. First way we're going to show you is via the command line. It's really easy to do. And the second way we'll show you using the Graphical User Interface. So for the command line, let's open a command prompt. So click on Start, or you could click on Cortana search box if you're in Windows 10, type in CMD for command. And so we're going to run this command to show us what our wireless profiles are. So we have two here, one's called Buddy 5G and one's called Virus. And we know that our SSID, service identifier, is Buddy 5G, so that's the one we want to find the password for. So then you just take the same command and you put the name of the wireless connection right there. This will be different for yours, obviously. And then you want to add key equals clear, and that'll show the password in clear text. So let's copy this one over. Let's clear the screen here. And you can see when you run that, it gives you all kinds of information. So here's the name, the SSID name, and what kind of authentication it's using, WPA2. And so here's the key content. So here's our current password, buddy123. So that's all you need to do for there. So let's say you don't like the command line and you want to do it with the Graphical User Interface. That's simple enough too. So you'd want to go to Control Panel and then to Network and Sharing Center. And then depending if you have Windows 7 or Windows 10, if you have Windows 7, you might have something that says Manage Wireless Networks up here. You could click on. Otherwise, you want to click on Change Adapter Settings. Find your wireless connection here. Right click on it. Choose Status. And then you want to go to the Wireless Properties button here. And then the Security tab. And then here's your key. Same information, WPA2. Click on Show Characters. And there you can see it's buddy123, the same thing as we got from the command line. So just a few more steps, but you don't have to know the commands or type in, you just have to remember how to get to it. So that's it. It's pretty easy to do, so give it a try and see if it works for you. Thanks for watching.